This is a pioneering and complex tapestry of a woman's life, woven with thread of deep connection, unspoken insecurities, enduring love, and profound personal growth. It's the narrative that illustrates how past choices made under emotional duress can reverberate for decades, shaping not only one's own destiny but also leaving an indelible mark on another. Life often presents us with choices, sometimes between two very different paths, and in a single moment, one decision can lead us far from where we once stood, to places we could never have imagined with no way of turning back. These moments are powerful. They shape our direction and ask us to commit, to trust, and to carry forward. While we may wonder what the other path had, the one we choose becomes our truth, and in time, we learn to walk it with strength and purpose. Sometimes we make choices without knowing their full impact until years later. What felt like a small step at the time can become the turning point of an entire life. This moment of choice teaches us about who we are, what we value, what we fear, and what we are willing to stand for. And even though we cannot go back, we carry the lesson forward. Each decision we make adds another thread to the fabric of who we are becoming. There is courage not only in choosing but in continuing to move forward with grace, even when the road is unclear. After we make a big decision, it's natural to start questioning ourselves. We ask, why did I choose this? Why am I not doing better? Why does it feel so hard? These many whys can fill our mind, especially when life doesn't go as smoothly as we hoped. But asking these questions doesn't mean we made the wrong choice. It means we are trying to understand ourselves better. It's part of growing, part of becoming. And with time, these questions can guide us towards clarity and help us find peace in our choice. Understanding the why is often the most important part of healing and growth, instead of feeling constant, unclear discomfort. For many years, she felt something was off inside, even though her life looked successful on the outside. But now she has discovered an important truth that helps everything make more sense. This understanding didn't come from one big moment, but from many small signs over time. A conversation, a letter, even a dream, all quietly reminded her that something inside was still unsettled. Her journey was not a straight line. She faced time when she avoided the truth, got distracted by chasing success, and hid her sadness under strength. But real healing does not always come in big ways. It often shows up in quiet moments when we slow down and are ready to face what's inside. Our brain is designed to remember past experiences, both good and bad, learn us to avoid past mistakes, cherish good memories, and understand how we got to where we are. However, the same capacity can lead to rumination, replaying painful events, regretting choices, or longing for what's gone, make the present feel like just a waiting room. Focusing on the past or the future can give us a false sense of control over circumstances that are often beyond our direct influences. When we are caught between the past and the future, we miss out on the richness of the present moment. This present, where life actually happens, where connection occurs, where simple joy can be found, and where we have the power to act. The past is no longer something she fears or avoids. It has simply become a part of her story. She doesn't look back with regret or shame, but with awareness and acceptance. She knows that every step, every emotion helped shape the woman. The strength she found in confronting her truth extends beyond herself. It ripples outward into the lives of those she loves, into the choices she now makes, into the story she dares to tell. Her vulnerability becomes her power, and in naming the unspoken, she not only liberates herself but gives others permission to do the same. This is not the end of her story. In fact, it might be the real beginning of who she truly is. If your voice is awaking, breathe with me. Like, share, join this journey.